Come on, Scott. Let's be realistic about who's got the upper hand here.
Let her go.
Can't do that. But let her live? That's up to you.
What do you want?
I want to talk. You haven't been answering your phone.
Let her go, and we can talk about whatever you want.
I want the same thing that I have always wanted. I want Derek and his pack.
You have them all in hiding. How am I supposed to know where they are?
I think with the proper motivation, you could draw them out. And if you hadn't noticed, I now have a fairly impressive means by which I can motivate people. Why do you think I'm able to control them? Well, you know the myth, Scott. The kanama is a weapon of vengeance.
This is about Kate?
I didn't just come here to bury my daughter. I came to avenge her.
Are you okay?
Oh, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what that thing was or even what you are. But whatever he wants, just give it to him.
Mama. It's not that easy.
Do what he wants. Just give him what he wants.
I don't know if I can.